In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. Projects in QuickBooks Online let you keep all the income, expenses, and time related to a specific job or client in one organized place. This is especially helpful if you work on jobs that span days, weeks, or months, and you want to see exactly how profitable each one is. We'll start by turning the feature on, then we'll walk through creating your first project. First, let's enable the Projects feature. In your QuickBooks Online account, look toward the upper right corner and click on the gear icon, which is your Settings menu. From there, choose Account and Settings. This is where you control many of the core features for your company file. On the left side of the Account and Settings window, click on the Advanced tab. This section controls more detailed options, including projects. Scroll down until you see the Projects section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Organize all job-related activity in one place. Turn this option on. What this does is activate the Project Center in your QuickBooks, so you'll have a dedicated area to track each job from start to finish. Once you've turned it on, make sure to click Save and then Done to apply your changes and close the settings window. If you skip saving, the Projects feature won't be enabled, so always confirm that step before moving on. Now that Projects is turned on, let's create a new project. Look at the menu on the left side of your screen and go to Business Overview, then choose Projects. This will take you to the Projects dashboard. If you've never created a project before, you might see a prompt to start your first one. Otherwise, you'll see a list of existing projects here. In the Projects screen, click on the button that says New Project or Start a Project if this is your first time. A setup window will open. Begin by entering a clear project name. Choose something descriptive like the client name plus the job type so you can easily recognize it later. Next, select the customer this project is for. If the customer isn't in your list yet, you can add a new one right from this screen. This link between the project and the customer is what allows invoices, estimates, and expenses to roll up correctly into your project reports. You'll also see optional fields for a start date and an end date. Filling these in can help you track job timelines and keep an eye on deadlines. You can also set a status, such as in progress, not started, or completed, depending on how you manage your workflow. Updating this later is a great way to quickly see which jobs still need your attention. If this project needs a specific billing or shipping address that's different from the customer's usual details, you can enter those here as well. This can be useful if you're working on a job site or sending materials to a different location. There's also a notes area where you can add any important details you want to remember, like scope, special terms, or internal reminders. When you're happy with all the information, click Save. Your project is now created and you'll be able to start adding transactions and tracking how that job performs over time.